Hello everyone, compliments of the season to you. So very quickly, I'll be showing you how to clean the bottom of your pressing iron. If this sounds like what you are interested in, kindly watch to the end. So if you want to keep your pressing iron very new for a long time, try this method. When you have something like this under your pressing iron, it's not a big deal. Don't go ahead using like sponge or sandpaper or anything to scrub it. What works for me is just toothpaste, and trust me, any toothpaste will work fine. I've used about 3 to 4 different types of toothpaste and they gave me the same result. So first things first, you just like apply the toothpaste on it, just as you can see, and you put it on, set it to the highest, just as you can see right now. Allow for like about 1 minute. Then when it's looking like this, you get your tissue paper and you begin to wipe it. And when you do this, trust me, your pressing iron will keep looking new and new every day. This whole process didn't take up to like 3 minutes. So if you think your iron is already looking very ugly, maybe because of the stains under, you can still turn it into a new one, just as you can see me do. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.